Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make a paid Telegram channel. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a private channel. So all we have to do is to open our Telegram, and then after opening Telegram, just click this button right here. After clicking, just click continue, then click allow, and then click new channel right here, and then just name your channel whatever you like. So I'll name this as example, and then you can also add description. I can just add example, and then after you're done with this, just click check, and then click private channel here, and then click check again. After you're done with this, just click this button right here on the bottom right corner, and then the channel will now be created. So just go back on your Telegram again, and then now search for invite member, and after that, just click this invite member right here. Just click this one right here, and then once you click that, click start, and then after that, click add project. Then just enter the channel that we have created, which is example, and then just click send. After clicking, just click this paid Telegram channel right here, and after clicking, just done. Then the next thing we need to do is to add this bot right here. So we're going to add this bot invite member on our channel. So go back on the main page of Telegram, and then go here on our channel that we created, then click the profile right here, and then click this administrators. After that, click admin, and then search for invite member. After that, click this invite member right here, uncheck all of this, and then just click this invite users via link on. And after you're done with this, just click check right here, and after that, invite member will now be added to your channel. So as you can see right there, if you click on the subscribers, invite member is located right there. So go back on your main page, and then go back on member, and then click done. And after that, to connect the channel, we will need to forward any messages from the channel to this bot. So all we have to do is to go back on our channel, and then just type any text that you want to put. So let's say for example, we want to click this text. After that, click this button right here, just forward, and then just forward this to invite member. Then click send. After that, it is now forward. You will be asked what kind of currency you would like to have in your channel. So it could be USD, Euro, BTC, and even more. If you click more, you will have this a bunch of currency that you have. So let's just use USD for example. After that, you will be asked how often your members will pay you. So it could be every month, every year, or if you click more, you will have more every day, every 3 days, and so on. So let's just choose every month right as an example. And after that, just type much the members must pay you. So let's say for example 50 USD. So just type 50 USD and then click send. And after that, click this bot father right here, and then click start. After that, just type /new bot, and then click this one right here, and then just name your bot. Your bot should end with bot right here. So let's say this one for example, example bot. After that, just click send, and then let's choose a username for our bot. So let's name it example only, then bot, and then click send. So let's name this one instead, and after that, just copy this token to access your HTTP API. Just click the link, and after that, go back and paste it to invite member bot. So let's paste this right here, then click send. And then as you can see, our membership bot is almost ready. So just click OK, what's next, and then And if you want to follow this invite member Telegram channel, just click this one. But if you don't want, just click OK. Then click OK will do. Then after that, click this payment option right here so that we can add a word the money will be sent. And after that, you will have this option right here, which is Stripe, PayPal, Skrill, coin payments, and so on. So let's just use this for example. You want your members to pay you through PayPal. So just click PayPal right here. And then just click Connect PayPal. And after that, just log into your PayPal account. And then you will now be good to go. If we go back to our channel right here, once you've done adding the payment, every member that you will add to this channel will need to pay you $50 every month. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.